Today we will do the unsolved numerical of lesson Force and Laws of Motion from NCERT book at page number 128. Now read the numerical. If truck start from rest. Truck start from rest means u is equal to 0. At rest, initial velocity is 0 and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter. Distance 400 meter in 20 seconds. Time is 20 seconds. Find its acceleration. We have to find it acceleration. Find the force acting on it. Force also we have to find. Mass is 7 tons. And 1 ton is equal to 1000 as given in the book. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Then mass becomes 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000 kg. Now first we will find, as we know the formula, force is equal to mass into acceleration, but we have to find the acceleration first, then we will find the formula first. In the 8th chapter we have discussed about the 3 formula. V is equal to U plus AT. No S is there, so we cannot use this formula. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Here S is given, T is given, A we have to find out, T is given. Then we can use this formula. This formula we can use. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is 400 meter, U is 0 and T is 20 seconds plus half. A we have to find out and T square is 20 square. Now 400 meter equal to, it becomes 0, 0 multiplied with any figure becomes 0 and half into A into 20 into 20. Now solve it. It becomes 200 A. 400 meter is equal to 200 A. Now A is equal to 400 by 200. Then acceleration will be 2 to the 4, 2 meter per second square. Now find out the force. Force is equal to M into A. M is, we have 7000 kg and acceleration is 2, then 14,000 Newton. The statement of next numerical, stone of 1 kg. 1 kg means mass. 1 kg mass is thrown with the velocity of 2 meter per second across the frozen surface of lake and comes to rest. Comes to rest. It means final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Traveling a distance S is equal to 50 meter. What is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? Now, as we know, force is equal to M into A. First we have to find out the A from this, and we can use the formula V square minus U square is equal to 2S, because if we use the formula S is equal to UT plus half AT square, there is no time is given here. We can use this formula. V square 0 square minus U square 20 square is equal to 2 into A we have to find out and S is 50. Then minus 20 into 20 is equal to 5 to the 10, 100 multiply A. A is equal to 20 into 20 by 100. 2 to the 4. Acceleration is 2 to the 4. As the negative sign indicates that there is retardation. Acceleration is negative meter per second square. Now find out the force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Here mass is 1 kg and acceleration is 4. Then it will become the minus 4. Then it will become the minus 4 Newton. Read the next numerical. A 8000 kg engine. Engine mass is 8000 kg. Pulls a train of 5 wagon. Train, wagon, they are 5 and each of 2000 kg. Each mass is 2000 kg. It means 5 wagon mass is 10,000 kilogram along a horizontal track. If the engine exerts a force, engine force is equal to 40,000 Newton and the track offer a frictional force that is 5,000. Frictional force means that force which opposes the motion. It means it will oppose the motion of the engine. Then the net force become the, because it will oppose, then subtract from this and you will find the net force of the engine. Net force of engine. Calculate the net accelerating force. Acceleration we have to find out. Now force is equal to mass into acceleration. If we have to find out acceleration, then formula become F by m and F is 35,000 and mass of the wagon is 5 into 2000, that is 10,000. 10,000. Now solve it. 5 7 are 35, 5 2 are 10, 7 by 2, 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 are 10 Newton. Force is 10 Newton. Here first the net accelerating force. The net accelerating force is this 35,000. The acceleration of the train. Acceleration of the train we have to find out, and this is the acceleration of the train. Now force of wagon 1 on wagon 2. Now we have total net force is 35,000. Net force is 35,000 Newton and there are the 5 wagons. There are 5 wagons. We will find out the 1 wagon force first. 1 5 7 are 35. This is 7,000 Newton for the 1 wagon. Now we have to find out the force of wagon 1 and the wagon 2. Now deduct from the net force to the 1 wagon force and it will become the 28,000 Newton. An automobile vehicle has a mass 1500 kg. What must be the force between the vehicle and the road? Force we have to find out. If the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration, acceleration is negative 1.7 meter per second square. Now apply the formula. F is equal to m into A and m is given here is 1500 and A is minus 1.7. Multiplied this, result will be minus, force is negative and because acceleration is negative. Multiplied 15 and 17 and it will 255. 255. Mark this point here. Then it will become 2550 Newton. And in the backward direction, because acceleration is negative, force is also negative, then it will move in the backward direction. The next statement, two objects each of mass m1 1.5 kg, m2 also 1.5 kg. Two objects each of mass 1.5 kg are moving in the same straight line but in opposite direction. One is moving in this side and one is moving in this side. The velocity of each object u1 is equal to 2.5 meter per second, u2 is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Before the collision, when they collide, then the final velocity becomes 0. Before the collision, during which they stick together, what will be the velocity of the combined object? v2 we have to find out, v1 and v2 we have to find out. Now write down the formula, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m1 u1 1.5 into 2.5 plus m2 1.5 and u2 is equal to 2.5 is equal to m1 1.5 into 0 plus m2 is 1.5 into v2. Now solve it. 25 15 3.75 plus 3.75 because they are moving in the opposite direction. They are moving in the opposite direction. It becomes 0 and 1.5 v2. And then it becomes 0, 3.75 minus 3.75 to become 0 and equal to 1.5 v2. If we divide by it 1.5, then the result is 0. Then the combined velocity of both the object is 0. Now read the statement of next numerical. A hockey ball of mass is 200 gram, or if we convert it into kg, then divide by 1000 and it will become 0.2 kg. Traveling at 10 meter per second. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Struck by hockey stick so as to return it along its original path with a velocity. Final velocity is 5 meter per second. Calculate the change of momentum occurred in the motion of hockey ball by the force applied. Now change in momentum you have to find out. Change in momentum you have to find out. And momentum, change in momentum is equal to initial momentum minus final momentum. Initial momentum minus final momentum. Initial momentum is mu and final is mv. mu 0.2 into 10 and final momentum 0.2, m is 2 and v is 5 and this 5 is with negative sign. Now 10 to the 20, then it becomes 2.0 minus 5 to the 10, then it becomes 1.0. Then this minus sign change into the plus and it becomes the 3. Change in momentum is 3 kilogram meter per second inverse.